for watching Marina's Kitchen. Today I'm going to make some chocolate brownies, but I'm going to make the gluten-free ones. I have done a video on chocolate brownies, but a friend of mine wants some gluten-free. She's gluten-free, and so I thought I'd make some gluten-free chocolate brownies. They are so quick to make and so lovely. So first of all, you have to make it in a little tin like that by 20 by 20. That's the right size for that slab of brownies. Put some baking paper that you can just lift it out, okay? So now we're going to use some rice flour, the gluten-free rice flour, and I'm going to have, I want half a cup of that, and I'm going to put everything together. We need half a cup of this gluten-free rice flour, put that in through there. Now we need half a cup of gluten-free plain flour, so everything's got to be gluten-free. And put that all together. It's just to put everything in together. It's very easy. We want 1/4 of a teaspoon of baking powder. Put that there. And I need a pinch of salt. Just one little pinch of salt through that, okay? And we need a cup of caster sugar. 1 cup of caster sugar through that. Now I'm going to mix that all together. And I have melted here, 100 gram of butter. I put this in the microwave, and I have put 150 gram of dark cooking chocolate and put it together in the microwave. I just gave it 1 minute in the microwave and just melted that all together, and that's just all melted with the butter and the chocolate. So it's very easy. There's 2 eggs to it and half a cup of chopped walnuts. Now look, we just have to mix all those dry ingredients together, the sugar, the flour and the rice flour. Rice flour is good to use for gluten-free recipes, so it comes very, very in handy for gluten-free recipes. Okay, so what we're going to do now, I'm going to add my 2 eggs to that. Just put everything in together. It's such a quick 180-degree oven for about 25 to 30 minutes. Now all I've got to do now is whisk that all together. Very easy, so easy. And now I'm going to add my chocolate with my melted butter. Just put it 1 minute in the microwave, and it comes to that beautiful mixture of chocolate and the butter. That's all we need. And just mix that all together. Look, it's a beautiful, rich brownie, beautiful. Lovely. Just put that all together. So quick, so easy. And brownies are always lovely. The kids love them. And look how rich that lovely. It's beautiful. Lovely soft mixture. And I'm going to add my half a cup of crushed walnuts. That gives it a lovely little bit of a crunch to it. That is so nice. And like just 25 to 30 minutes in the oven. When it comes out, you've got to cool it in the pan for about at least 20 minutes before you cut it, because if you cut it hot, it'll just crack. So just be careful when you cool it down in the pan, and then you can take it out. Look, look how beautiful that is. And so quick to put that together, wasn't it? Now I'm going to put it in. This is the perfect size for this mixture. A 20 centimetre across and centimetre across there. Put some baking powder, and just look, just put it all together like that. And how lovely. Quick, very easy. That was so quick and easy. No mixing very much. Lovely. Just put that all together in there and spread it out. We're going to spread it out. I'm just going to put it all together in there. I'll show you. I made one before. I'm going to show you how it comes. You can either dust it with some chocolate powder, with the cocoa powder, or dust it with some icing sugar. That's all. Now just spread that out to the edges. Spread it all out to the edges where you've got your paper. Spread it right out to the edges so it'll all be even. Otherwise it'll just be more in the middle than on the side. So just look how lovely. It's a beautiful mixture, lovely. Lovely and soft, beautiful. Look, that's so quick. That's a gluten-free chocolate brownies for you. Very, very quick. Look at that, how beautiful. Now look, I have made mine before. Now as I said, cool it down in the pan. You've got to cool it down in the pan for at least 20 minutes. And then take it out and then you can cut it up in pieces. Now you can either, I've dusted it with icing sugar, or you can dust it with some nice chocolate cocoa powder. Like, look how moist that is. It's beautiful. It doesn't come very high. That's how much it does. They're lovely and lovely pieces. Beautiful. Nice, and it's lovely and moist. Let it cool down before you cut it up. Look, it's lovely and moist. It's been in the oven. That was in the oven about 30 minutes, 25 to 30 minutes on a 180-degree oven. Perfect. Beautiful. Just put it together like that, cut it up in pieces. When it cools down, wait till it cools down, cut it up in pieces, put it in a container, and it'll keep wonderful. So look, my friend of mine, or everybody that wants the gluten-free chocolate brownies, go ahead and make them. They are perfect to make. Use your rice flour, gluten-free rice flour, use your gluten-free flour, and you've got some beautiful chocolate brownies, gluten-free chocolate brownies. That was quick and simple, wasn't it? So quick. I hope you'll enjoy making them. Okay? Bye. Have a good day. Bye.